Why do we have seasons? Earth has four main seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. The seasons happen because of two things: Earth's tilt and its revolution around the sun. Earth is tilted on its axis. This means the top half of Earth leans toward the sun at certain times of the year. It also leans away from the sun at other times. When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it is summer there. The days are longer and the sun feels warmer. At the same time, the southern hemisphere tilts away from the sun, so it is winter there. The days are shorter and the sun feels cooler. When the northern hemisphere tilts away from the sun, it is winter. The southern hemisphere tilts towards the sun, so it is summer. Earth takes about 365 days to travel around the sun once. This journey, along with Earth's tilt, creates the seasons. Seasons change, and nature changes with them.